Question 2. A colorless solution contains 2 cations. When aqueous sodium hydroxide was added to the solution, a white precipitate was formed. When excess aqueous sodium hydroxide was added, the white precipitate dissolved to form a colorless solution. So first we need to identify that aqueous sodium hydroxide is a reagent to test for the cations. And we can see from the given information, one of the cation in the solution forms a white precipitate, and the white precipitate dissolved to form a colorless solution in excess sodium hydroxide. And the other cation has no visible observation. Means there is no PPT form. And the question asks, which of the following is not a possible cation in the solution? And immediately we can eliminate option B. Okay, because all group 1 salts are soluble in water, so they will not form any precipitate. Group 1. We also can eliminate option C and D because zinc 2 plus, aluminium 3 plus, and lead 2 plus, they all forms a white PPT when aqueous sodium hydroxide was added to the solution, and in excess aqueous sodium hydroxide, this white PPT will dissolve to give a colorless solution. So they will show the same observation as described in the information. So C and D cannot be the answer. And therefore, the correct answer would be option A, whereby Ca2 plus, it is a white precipitate, but this white precipitate is insoluble in excess sodium hydroxide. Therefore, the answer will be option A. So I want to remind all the students to memorize the observation for the cations.